Wang Lang doesn't announce itself. It unfolds by boat, by breath, by habit. A neighbourhood shaped by rhythm, not design. The river sets the pace. Boats arrive, people move, no one hurries. This is how the day begins. Commuters step off without speaking. The pier knows their rhythm. Vendors unpack like clockwork. No rush, just readiness. Vintage-like signs across the alley. Style without storefront. Food sizzles. The smell travels faster than the sound. Sweets stacked. Precision in repetition. The morning moves without noise. Everything arrives, nothing demands. Ferries pass in rhythm. The river carries the day forward. Wang Lang once served palace staff. Now it serves everyone. The steam fades, the crowd thickens. From food to fabric, the rhythm shifts. Wang Lang doesn't pause, it pivots. Coffee drips slow, then fast. The rhythm is familiar. Orders are exchanged without words. The transaction is trust. Most vendors here know your order before you speak. It's not service, it's familiarity. The market wakes with heat. Flour, fire and memory. The wok leads. The crowd follows. Chefs cook, and the grill speaks louder than the vendor. Skewers char, sweet and smoky. The scent is the signal. Lunch is layered, not plated. Menus double as fans, improvised precision. One grill has burned here for 27 years. The recipe hasn't changed, the rhythm has. The heat softens, the tempo slows. From flame to thread, the market breathes again. Craft replaces chaos. Craft without a shop front. Thread meets traffic. The uniform takes shape in an alley. The alleys become studios. Fabrics are everywhere. Tools rest where feet pass. With all the clothes on sale, function becomes form. A shirt is folded with care. The gesture repeats unchanged. Some tailors work entirely outdoors. Their shop is the rhythm of the alley. step sideways and the market folds in on itself. A subculture tucked into a subsoy. A radio plays softly from somewhere unseen, the soundtrack of memory. Shoes and denim share the same corner. Commerce in layers. The clutter is deliberate. This place isn't curated, it's lived. Now means trendy, but this zone is timeless. The incense fades, the light shifts. From ritual to reflection, the river calls again. Golden hour begins. Ritual tucked between commerce. Ceremony, not gesture. A tray of fruit beside a flickering candle. The offering is quiet. A pause before the day begins. Stillness finds its space. Incense curled into the air. The shrine remains untouched. Its presence is enough. These altars aren't maintained by monks. They're maintained by memory. The market exhales. The river turns to gold. Stalls begin to close. The rhythm slows, but doesn't stop. A ferry glides past in soft light. The river reflects what the day forgets. The final skewers sizzle in the quiet, the last sound before stillness. The skyline softens. The city keeps moving, but not here. Wang Lang means rear palace. This was once royal ground. Now it's a place for everyone to drift. Wang Lang doesn't shout. It whispers, cooks, stitches and drifts. A neighbourhood lived in rhythm. A day told in texture. A story that begins again tomorrow.